Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. So in this week's video, this is going to be a little bit different. So usually we're all in the car working on many different things at once. And in this project, this week, we are going to try and restore just one single part. So here we are. This is the valve cover for the 1971 Datsun wagon motor. And what we're going to try and do is get this thing looking a lot better than it does now. Kind of have it dressed up a little bit and looking better than it was from new, because this is just aluminum and looks horrible. So I'm thinking about sanding it back as well and painting it and getting it into a right color. Now I'm not sure about the color that I want to go with at this time. So we're probably going to get it into primer, get it painted to what we want someday soon. Unless I decide to go black and then try and do strips on it where the lines come down on the valve cover. But we have some things we're going to remove. There is a nub right here we're going to try and get rid of that has pretty much no point on the valve cover. We have some things we're going to move. Like, I'm not going to move this. In another video online, the gentleman moves this to the back. I don't mind that sitting there because that's where it's supposed to belong. And I don't mind that the spark plug pliers are going to go over it. So what we're going to do first is get this thing stripped down and get it cleaned. So that's why we're on top of the parts cleaner. All right, everybody, that is a wrap for this thing. It looks incredible from what it looked like as you saw in the clips before. What an absolute game changer this thing looks now. Looks absolutely incredible. I might do a little bit different things on it. We're still debating on what colors we might add to it or take away from it. But this thing looks incredible. It is going to make this engine bay just look so much better on this truck or on this Datsun wagon. This thing is incredible looking. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll see you guys next Saturday when we continue working on the Datsun. Now, we might take a couple weeks where we do minimal projects in the garage because it's 100+ degrees out. But again, we'll see you guys next Saturday.